All right, welcome to this live session. Let's very quickly look into all the pairs. Just look at what the ECB has done to the charts. We saw lots of market volatility today because of that euro interest rate announcement. Okay. Well, as you know, recently the market is only moved by news announcement. We do not have plenty of momentum. I mean, normal momentum due to the market movers trades. We only have price moving in heavy volatility and momentum because of the news announcement. All right, if you are joining in for the very first time, please, as you click on your play button, make sure you come to your settings tab right here and select your video quality to the 480 pixel so you can get a better view at your end. All right, looking into the Forex Factory economical calendar, the Forex economical calendar here. Let's see those news announcements that we are expecting for tomorrow. Today is already done. We don't have much for today. So let's see those that we are expecting for tomorrow. Just give me a minute. Okay. All right, for tomorrow, let's see those news announcements. Okay, we have just one news announcement for tomorrow, and it's coming from the American dollar axis. It's a normal high impact news announcement, so we don't really need to worry about this if we are long-term traders, but intraday traders must pay attention to this news announcement. Let's go back to the live trading room. Let me just go back here. Okay, let's see the euro against the American dollar for today. Upon the ECB news announcement, the interest rate announcement, we saw that massive pump to the downside. In fact, price is still pushing to the downside in the market volume, that price reaction, that momentum is still much. Price is still observing that, it's still driving this pair to the downside. Well, let me tell you what is happening here right now. I didn't even see that quite early. In fact, we finished discussing this pair before we now saw what might actually happen. Okay, this pair has been in an uptrend for quite a while. Okay, it has been in an uptrend. Then we saw a little type of a price hesitation right here. We are seeing another one right here. In fact, we had one right here, this one right here, another one right here. Okay, there are so many market hesitation here. This pattern, price moves in patterns, I am sure you know about that. This one has come to an end. This one here wasn't too clear enough, maybe something like this. Okay, but it wasn't too clear enough, so we had to lump all of these together, all of that together, for you to have a possible channel formation. And of course, you can see some sort of harmonic bounces of those levels. Let's keep the line here. Okay, that line is valid because price respected it for about 4 times. Okay, so it bounced there, that's the focal point. Another one here, this one didn't quite retest, but this one's here, valid. Okay, if you were clicking on your buy button here, just like I made the same mistake, okay, I make that same mistake myself. If you were clicking on your buy button here, you were actually clicking or trying to go long against that heavy level of resistance. This is a heavy level of resistance, and it's still holding price right now. The lower boundary of that channel is this one here. In fact, you can see how price has been given some harmonic dots. Let me just show you that. Some harmonic dots right there. Okay, you can see those. That is a good confirmation that there is a line running through that area. All right, to confirm that we have this channel in place. So we are going to place a line connecting those harmonic bounces. Right there. Okay, now the overall price directional bias here is still to the upside. We are only seeing this flag formation, so price should be facing some support right here. There should be support there. What you have is a flag. This is the pole itself. That is the flag itself. The next thing we should be expecting is a possible price breakout of that flag, a pullback, and a continuation move. Okay, this is more of a retracement. Okay, for some of us or some of you who are looking to trade this pair as a flat bottom triangle, just like we analyzed previously, it is indeed a valid flat bottom triangle. Okay, it is a valid flat bottom triangle, but it is a trap. It is likely going to be a trap to hit a lot of persons out of the way, a lot of stop losses out of the way. Let's just keep this, keep that line. All right, change this color to red. Okay, very good. Now, why am I saying it is a trap? Let's zoom in this chart. Let's assume that we found price. Of course, we are seeing that solid breakout right now, breaking out of this area. Okay, solid breakout. Then we found some sort of congestion around in here. Okay, then we blindly, very blindly, place our sell stop order few pips below, our stop loss few pips above. What usually happens is that price will push down, trigger that entry, bounce off that level, this counter, this channel leg, this lower channel leg, bounce off that level back to the upside, kicking all stop losses here out of the way. In fact, the market movers already know that traders are beginning to click on their buy buttons right here. Okay, right here, placing their stop losses somewhere around in here. So they will drive price to kick all of those stop losses out of the way, then push it back up. Okay, so let's wait to see what type of price reaction we are going to get around this area. For me, this is a heavy level of support. Even though it is hidden, price is likely, very likely to push into that zone right there. From there on, it should bounce to the upside. This is actually the last line of defense. This line is the last line of defense. If we had seen this earlier on, we would have been looking for our short entries around somewhere here. That would have been where we'll be looking for our short entries. But like I said, the overall directional bias of this type of price pattern is still to the upside. Okay, this is the pole, this is the pole, this is the flag. I expect to see a breakout to the upside. So if you are going short, of course tomorrow will be a bearish day. Tomorrow price will be pushing to the downside. If you are going short, you want to cash out all of your profits before price hit this level. Tomorrow we'll be looking for short opportunities. Let's see the 4 hours time frame here. Let me bring in the daily box indicator. Okay, you can see this beautiful level, that area that was holding price as support. Let's mark that area. Oh, sorry. Let's mark this area. All right, I made a terrible mistake, actually, not looking for short entries around somewhere here. That is where would I look for short entries. You can see how price has broken below that key level that has been holding price as support. All right, that's the breakout of that flat bottom triangle. Solid breakout. So by tomorrow, we'll be waiting somewhere around in here. That is where to wait. If price makes a pullback to that zone, If price makes that pullback to that area, that is where we'll be looking for a short entries back down. So we have plenty of room for price to move. This is a key level of a former support that may now act as resistance. So this is a valid setup. It is something that we should be looking up to by tomorrow. Okay, so that is basically all about the euro against the American dollar. This is a very clear price action right now. We are expecting price to come back somewhere in here before a bounce to the upside. So we are looking to pick it back down. Once price make that pullback, we'll be picking it back down to this level. That is the trade plan for the euro against the American dollar. Okay, so that's basically it. Nothing much. Mistakes have been done on that, but we just need to note that the overall direction for this pair still remains to the upside. All right, so that's it. Let's now proceed to our other pairs, looking at what we have.